Today we'll be making my favorite soft, buttery sugar cookies loaded with sprinkles, Funfetti cookies. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now you'll want to whisk this until the dry ingredients are well combined. In a large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of butter that has melted and cooled slightly and 3/4 cup of white sugar. Now I'm going to use my hand mixer and mix this on low for about 30 seconds. You could also use your stand mixer or even a whisk if you would like. Now that the butter and sugar have incorporated, we'll add 1 large egg as well as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to keep mixing this for about 2 more minutes. And as always, the full recipe and all of these instructions can also be found in the description box, so make sure to check that out as well. Now that this is light in color and pale, we're ready to add in our dry ingredients. We're just going to mix this for about 30 seconds or so on low, just until everything is incorporated and no streaks of flour remain. Now that our dough has come together, we'll just need to quickly scrape down the bowl here. Now we can add in our sprinkles. So I'm using 2 tablespoons. I'm using both Jimmy's as well as non-Perriel's, but really you can use whatever type of sprinkles you would like and feel free to add more or less. Really, it's up to you. We're just going to give these a quick mix here and make sure that they're well incorporated into our dough. We want all of those cookies to have those delicious sprinkles. I'm also going to measure out another 2 tablespoons of sprinkles, and we'll just need those to finish off our cookies. Now I'm going to scoop these using a 1½ tablespoon cookie scoop onto a parchment lined cookie sheet and just dip the tops into that sprinkle mixture that you made there. If you don't have one of these scoops, you can just use 2 spoons. Now my oven has been preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius, and these will bake 8 to 10 minutes. You'll want to take them out as soon as the bottoms are golden brown. Allow them to cool on the pan for just a couple of minutes, and then we can move them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. These are the best soft, buttery sugar cookies. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know down below. I hope that you'll join me next week for a new easy recipe. Thanks for watching!